everyone, it's Katie Mrotek, Scruples educator and creative color specialist. And today I'm here in the Scruples studio to show you how to create this coral crush technique using Urban Shock direct dyes. This creative color formulation and puzzle placement builds internal movement with the hair that allows for a fluid transition of tone, whether smooth and straight or tousled and textured. A combination of large sections, curved and herringbone partings, heavy application, and visual blending all unite to create subtle reflections of color for a warm and bright palette. Here are the final results of this Coral Crush transformation. I love how this warm variety of saturation creates a beautiful and subtle shift in tone. Thanks for watching. For more online education and transformations with Scruples Urban Shock Creative Colors, click the links below. Happy hair painting!